Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to control the visibility of rebars using the Change Rebar Visibility command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Start by selecting either individual rebars or the concrete elements that host them. BIMLOGIQ Copilot will detect the rebars within your selection. Now let's select a process option, selected elements, or all rebars in view. We now have two simple options. 1, make unobscured, and 2, make obscured. We are going to choose unobscured. Then, click the Execute button. Let's take a look at the result. Rebars are solid and visible. Let's select the footing this time and make the rebars visible. Then, click the Execute button. Now let's hide all the rebars in the view. And that's how you can easily make rebars obscured or unobscured using BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.